Shape is a great collaboration tool because it's a multi-object database. What does that mean? Well, that means that you can track and manage multiple things within a singular contact record. To give you some exact details here, if you're a loan officer and you work with an LOA or a loan partner or other department team members, you can easily have multiple people assigned to the same record at the same time, and you can collaborate accordingly. On the left-hand side, for example, you can see notes, texts, checklists, and if your LOA was logged into the system, they might see different checklist items, different tabs across the top, etc. So just to give you a visual, I can switch over to the LOA view and you'll notice that my tabs across the top have changed. You can also see here that I, as the loan officer, had @mentioned Brooke. Brooke instantaneously gets a note mention email directly to her email inbox with the details of what I had mentioned. When she says view note, it opens up the contact record she can see and also reply back here using @mentions_back. And this is a great way to communicate within the system for certain notes. Similar to note mentions, I do have tasks up here as well. Oftentimes, if you're working with team members, you might handle one thing and another team member may handle another. You can actually add tasks for one another to see who's associated with that task, etc. So, as an example, if I wanted to make sure that by Monday morning, it's going to default to 9, but if I wanted it to be a little bit later in the morning, I can do that. I can write the task name here, gather July, and confirm lock date. Here in the note description, at this point, I could mention Brooke again. And you'll notice that now it's assigned to us both. Similar to the note mention, Brooke's also gonna get a notification that she's been mentioned in a task. Handle this. When you add the task, it not only shows up inside of the contact record, so you can see this is currently not started, but it also shows up in various list views. So if I go in, or your task views, if I go to tasks over here, you can see all of the details located in my board view and or list view. If you have any questions on collaboration tools within Shape, let us know.